We need to allow this to soak under water for about 10 minutes. It's got the pores of it saturated with water that's going to be the lubricant for the sharpening process. And from time to time, as it starts to feel dry and feel a little bit of drag, we're going to add a little bit of water back into the stone. It's okay. A wet sponge will do the trick. In any case, let's get started. The key is to first find the angle with relationship of the knife to the stone. To help us with that, there are small devices like this edge guide, which simply clips onto the back end or spine of the knife, and that way I can rest my knife completely on the stone and keep it nice and even throughout the course of the sharpening. The next step is to take my fingers and kind of spread them out so I'm not too close to the edge, but able to give even pressure along the entire length of the blade. Then simply, whether I draw the knife across and down towards the tip, resetting every single time, that same angle, or some techniques, like with Japanese knives, you'll run back and forth in small strokes, slowly moving from heel to tip. What you're looking to do there is get a little bit of a paste, and I don't know if you can see that, but a little black residue that forms on the surface of the stone. That lets you know that some metal material is being moved.